How to back up Google Keep Notes. If any day you are the Google Keep Notes user and you would like to back up from the Google Keep Notes but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Google Keep Notes on your very mobile device. For that, you can go to the search section on your very mobile device or directly find the option of the Keep Notes and then tap on that. After you tap on the option of the Keep Notes like this, Keep Notes will be launched on your very mobile device. After that, you have to go to the option of Get Started and then go to the option of Continue. Now, you can also tap on the option of Allow like this. Now, after that, first of all, you have to go to the plus icon like this and you can create a note here. Now, after you create a note here, you can just go back. Now, after you create a note, you can send it a face like this. Now, you have to tap on the very note for a while and then go to the three dots on the top. Now, here you have to go to the option of Copy to Google Docs. After you tap on the option of the Copy to Google Docs, now if it's shown the Google Docs failed, you can just open any of the other Gmail that you are logged in. And again, you can create a new note out here. Because sometimes what may happen is that you may have problem of storage in one of your email out there. So after that, you can create a very note from any of those email which has space there. So after that, you can again tap on that and then go to the option of the three dots there and then go to the option of Copy to Google Docs. Now, after you tap on the option of Copy to Google Docs, it will be copied to the Google Docs. Now you have to go to the option of Open there once again. Now, after you tap on the option of Open Docs, now you can see that the notes will be opened on the document version. Now you have to wait for a while until it opens because sometimes it may be the problem of the internet connection out there. If your internet connection is faster, it will open faster and quicker. If not, it won't open faster and quicker. Now, after it opens on the very Google Docs, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the three dots on the top and then go to the option of the available offline and enable it. And after you just enable available offline, now this is backed up. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.